everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Shitbi from Pen My Blog, and today we are going to be talking about the new Peach collection from Too Faced. Now, over the past week, Too Faced actually sent over a PR parcel which included an extensive range of 19 shades of foundation, and I have to say I was pretty happy with the color range because there was a decent amount of, fair, medium, tan, dark, and this is the Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. Now, this is supposed to be oil-free, 14-hour wear, all controlling and photo friendly. So we're going to be trying on this foundation on camera, and then we'll be slowly going through the collection, and I'll bring you with me as I do my makeup on my thoughts and basically what I think about the products. So if you guys want to find out more, then do stay tuned. But before that, please do remember to subscribe to your girl, show some love. And with that being said, let's jump right into the video. Strays away, my hair is all put up, and I'm going to be starting off with the eyes. And for this, we have two palettes over here from the Peach collection. One is called White Peach and another is called just Peachy Mattes. Now, I really like the color story for both these palettes. I think the color spectrum is great. This one, of course, has a bit more glitter in it, and this one is a full matte palette. Now, each of this come in 12 different shades, and for today's look, because we are currently in the day, I am going to be using the Just Peachy Mattes. And yeah, we're going to see how it looks on the lids. So I have not primed my lids with anything as of yet, so I'm just taking a little bit of concealer and I am going to be blending that out, and that is going to be my base. And with that being done, I'm going to be using the shade Peach Cobbler, and I'm going to be putting that as a transition shade. Okay, so this literally took me like, what, 20 seconds to fully blend in, and the color is so pigmented. I'm actually really impressed. So this color Peach Sangria is actually really calling to me. It's like a deep dark plum color, and I'm going to be putting it at the center corner of my lids. Now with the same shade, I'm going to be lining that bottom lash line as well, and then to create a denser, more smoky look, I'm going to be taking chocolate dip, and then I'm just going to be putting it at the outer corner of my eye and slowly blending it in. The colors surprisingly blended really well, considering that it's a matte formulation, and the pigmentation is also really strong as well. So I think this is a solid palette. So if you're the sort who is really comfortable around playing with mattes and is looking for a palette to be used on the daily, then I think this one is a really good one. So moving on from that, now we are going to be starting off with the foundation. And honestly, you guys, I've heard so many good things about this foundation, and I absolutely cannot wait to try it out. Now the shade that I have picked out for myself is the one in Golden Beige, and I'm going to be applying this with my Brina Beauty Blending Pearl. You guys know that I use this very often, so this is no exception. I think 2 pumps should do it. Foundation is all blended out, and so far I am liking that finish. I think it looks very blurred and the skin looks near to perfect. Even off camera, this looks pretty good. It has that really nice peachy scent, which is surprisingly not off-putting. It's not overpowering, it's just nice. And it kind of smells like peaches and cream, which is sort of like a favorite of mine, so go figure. I'm not going to be putting any concealer on this, so I'm just going to be taking the Peach Perfect. This is the Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. Need the foundation to kind of set and give that face the dimension. Guys, look at that. That blended into the skin so beautifully. Wow, okay, so far I'm very impressed with the collection. So let's move on to the next one. So I'm not going to be using a bronzer from this collection, but I am going to be going in with my all-time favorite. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. This is the medium to deep matte bronzer. So it kind of goes with the whole matte theme that we have going on. And I'm just going to be bronzing up the face to give it a little bit more dimension and a bit more warmth. And you guys, the thing is about Too Faced products, all their scents are just so delicious. Like this one legit smells like chocolate. It's beautiful and stunning, and I absolutely love it. And with regards to the blush, Too Faced actually came out with the melting powder blush, and the shade that I'm taking is going to be called Spiced Peach. Kind of works with this look, you know what I mean? Now this one seems to be a sort of cream formulation. Yep, I'm right. And this is how the shade looks like. So I've kind of already set my face with powder, and a kind of big no-no for me is to put cream on top of powder, as I only set my powder under my eyes. Maybe if I just put it here, it won't affect so much. So let's just try that out, and then yeah, we'll see how that goes. I don't really see much of a difference though. Maybe if I go in with my blending pearl and I just tap it. Do we see that color? Ah, yes, okay. Now we see it a little bit. Thank you. And we're just tapping that on, you guys. It's very, very pretty. Okay, and of course, to complete the entire look, I'm going to be using the melting powder highlighter. And this is how the shade looks like. And again, you guys, this is the same cream formulation as the previous one, which was the blush. So this is going to be interesting to put on. This is a very subtle highlight. This is not like your average blinding highlight, but I have to say that I really do like how this entire look is coming together, and I think the collection is just splendid. And I'm not just saying that for the sake of saying it. I'm saying it because I legit think this collection is bomb, and yeah, it's pretty amazing. So now I'm just gonna put on a lip shade, a little bit of setting spray, put everything together, and then I'll be right back to give you guys my overall thoughts on the new Peach collection by Too Faced. Alright, you guys, so this is basically it for the entire look. Now I've done my lips, I've done up my setting spray. I decided not to go with any lashes because I was sort of feeling the natural vibe. But on overall, on what I think about this entire collection, I think it is absolutely beautiful. I kind of sort of think everything went hand in hand, and if I had to pick one product that I absolutely loved out of the entire collection, I have to say that it is the foundation. The foundation was the absolute winner for me. I think the coverage is perfect, and I definitely do think it's buildable because I went in with a double layer just underneath here because God knows, hormones, I was having a little bit of a breakout here, and it covered that perfectly. And the highlighters as well, I mean, it's not blinding, you guys, but it gives a very natural sheen that I really like for on the day basis, you know, just to wear out. And with regards, yep, that's my overall thoughts on it. But before we end this, I do want to mention that I will be doing a giveaway in conjunction with this video. So one of you guys will be able to walk away with one foundation, on top of that the setting spray, and you will also be getting a blush as well as the cooling matte skin perfecting primer. So if you guys want to win these products, please do take a look down at the description box below, and yeah, basically look through the rules and regulations, join in and have a blast with it. So with regards, that is it for today's video. If you did find it helpful, please do give a huge thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and leave me a comment down below because I always love hearing from you guys. I wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll see you all on Friday. Bye guys. Mwah.